Hey YouTube fam, what's going on guys? What up? Welcome back to the channel. Got a little bit of a special video planned for you guys today. So I got my Tyrannus QX7 with a Crossfire module, an iFlight Chimera4 with the Crossfire receiver, and a CADX Vista, and a 1300 milliamp hour 4-cell battery. And then I got my DJI goggles to connect to the CADX Vista, and I put the Cyclops antenna on it. So that's the left-hand LHCP, left-hand DJI. It's not made by DJI, but it's a VAS Cyclops patch antenna. It's supposed to get really good range. So today we're out here, we got Crossfire, and we got DJI, and we got the VAS Cyclops with the CADX Vista and a 1300 milliamp hour battery, and we're out here at this park. I think you guys might have seen me fly here before. If you're new to the channel, you might not have. It's been a little while ago, but I've flown here before, and I want to test. the CADX Vista. I want to just test range, and you guys are gonna watch goggle footage just like I am. You're gonna see exactly what I see, so we can check it out, see how far we can get out, see what kind of breakup we have, see what the image quality looks like, and just have an enjoyable cruise. I don't want to ramble on here too much, so let's cruise this thing and see what the range is like, see how well the VAS Cyclops patch antenna works on the DJI goggles, and yeah, let's get after it. Here we go. Roll the footage. Love you guys. If you're new, please subscribe. See you on the next video. Take care. Have a happy new year, guys. Love you guys. Here we go, guys. We're on our way out. 50 megabytes per second. Looks like good range. Wow, this is incredible. No breakup, no nothing. I'm a little nervous though. I don't really want to fly directly over whatever that is.
RSSI low.
Woo! We're getting out there. For a FPV drone, we're getting out there, guys.
Telemetry lost.
Uh-oh. Controller's telling me telemetry lost. Shouldn't get too far.
RSSI critical. Telemetry recovered.
Huh. I'm nervous. I don't want to lose it. I come back, as you guys can see. I don't know why the controller is... I'm getting good, great, excellent video signal, but the controller is telling me
RSSI critical.
I have bad signal.
RSSI critical.
I really hope I don't fail safe, guys. Wow, we're pretty far for an FPV drone. We are far. I think I'm gonna go ahead and turn it around, guys. We'll test the range even further next time, but it is doing great. But yeah,
RSSI critical.
starting to get some breakup and RSSI critical. I'm gonna come back. I don't want to drop it out of the sky.
RSSI critical.
Oh yeah, I got red channel 1. Signal is not good. Oh, come back though.
RSSI critical. RSSI low.
Wow. This is fun flying HD. This is awesome, guys. I love it. You guys enjoying this flight? Man. Makes me want to put a CADX
critical.
Vista and Crossfire and everything.
RSSI critical.
Battery's starting to run low. 3.8 volts. I don't know if you guys can see that. Won't know until I edit. I don't know if you guys are getting the OSD. But I'm back. That was pretty good range. That's the furthest I've ever flew with an FPV drone. Woo-hoo-hoo!
RSSI low.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
RSSI low.
Wow, this is amazing, guys. I love having these DJI goggles. And the Cyclops antenna with this Chimera.
RSSI critical.
No signal problems. I don't know why the controller keeps saying RSSI critical. It's obviously not having no problems.
RSSI critical.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Wow. It's a whole different world with DJI goggles, guys. Oh no.
RSSI critical.
Alright guys, that's gonna do it for that video. So that's the VAS Cyclops. We'll be doing some more testing with that. I like it, and I got way out there, but I was getting a little bit nervous because my controller and my Crossfire was saying that my signal was getting low, so it was making me a little bit nervous, as you guys seen from the video. But I'm gonna try it again. The same exact setup, everything exactly the same, except I'm gonna do it in a field or somewhere like with a lot of open space. That way if something happens and it goes down, fail safe or whatever happens, then I can get it back easily. Because where it was at over there in them trees, I don't know how to get back over in there, so it would have been real hard to get it back. So that's why I got a little bit nervous. But that being said, it's amazing. The image was clear. The it was above 50 megabytes per second almost the whole time. Great image. As you guys seen from the video, that you guys was just watching was recorded with my goggles. That's exactly what I was seeing as I was flying. So, and that's the furthest I've ever got one to fly. That's the furthest I've ever got an FPV drone to fly away from me. And I'm sure it would have went further because of that VAS Cyclops and the Crossfire. We'll do some more testing with it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. If you do, leave me a like. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Later.